and we go down, hold the tense in the abs, chest is out, shoulder blades are fixed down, and breathe in and out. Hi guys, welcome to today's training. We want to show you a wonderful exercise, one of the 12 most important exercises. It's called dips. It's a triceps exercise. It's one of the most basic exercises. Basic means in that case not that it is easy, it means that it's like one of the most important ones. So we jump directly inside. Our today's model is Nuria, and she wants to show you how that exercise works. So on the first step, she sits down and now she goes into the position in which the hands go to the side. So just as a short disclaimer, if you have problems with your spine, hip, or especially here with your wrists, don't do that exercise. If you are healthy, that's the exercise for you. How I say, one of the most important. So when you are sitting like that, the advantage of this position is that your elbows are automatically going to the back direction. A lot of mistakes what people are doing is they do this exercise and they come out to the side. If you come out to the side, you have a peak. How do you say it in English? So you have a peak problem here in that area. All the forces are coming to this part. This you don't want to have. Therefore, you go back as much as possible, as close as possible to your body. When you have your legs here, so what you will see when Nuria is doing it, she will have bended legs. Bended legs means she can help a little bit with her legs and it makes it a little bit more comfortable. If you don't have the big triceps, if you are somebody who's working out a lot of times just for the triceps, or you are just strong there, then just go in a straight line with your legs. So the more far or the farther the legs are away from you, the more heavy it gets for your triceps. So being said this, it's only one thing what you now need really to consider is you pull your shoulder blades back and down as much as you can. So you pull shoulder blades back and down as much as you can. You fixate them on this position all the time in this exercise, and your glute doesn't go too far away from the bench. So it's as close as possible. Let's say you want to be so close to the bench that you can almost shave your back on the bench. Now, that's all the main points. We start out, Nuria is showing the exercise, and you see she's breathing in while she goes down, she's breathing out while she goes up. Her chest is out as much as possible, her head is very straight, and she goes as close as possible down to the bench. How I say, if you make here your legs straight, it gets much more heavy. This we don't know, or this we don't want right now for her. So it's optimal what she is doing. When she goes up, she is not completely straight in her arms. So she lets very little bit bending, because it is also protecting here your joint. If you go too much, then it is just hurting the joint. This please avoid. We're very good done, Nuria. I think you got how it works. So now, like always, I want to invite you to jump into our training, to do it one time together, that you can experience and enjoy the exercise and do it now regularly in your training. This exercise you should do around 10 to 15 reps, because this is then a full own body weight exercise. And how I say, with the position of your legs, you can increase the weight for yourself. If you are really strong anytime, then you can take 10-15 kilo which you lay on your legs, and it gets even more heavy. Right now we start 3, 2, 1, let's go. Deeply breathe in into your stomach and out again. Deeply breathe in and out. And while you breathe in and out, you get more and more tense in your abs. Your core gets as stable as possible. You go in a very straight position. Even you are sitting already on a bench. If you don't have such a bench at home, take something similar. Also, you can take a chair, works for the most person also. Look how she's sitting, very straight. She has her hands in that position here, so to the side, and her elbows stay as close as possible to her body. Do it please exactly like that. Now we come in front, the glute stays the whole exercise as close as possible to the bench. Come in front, and now we start and go slowly down. Breathe in and out. You go down as far that you have, how we say, a right angle here, so that you have a 90-degree angle in your elbows, and when you press up, never overextend. Let a little bit bending there. Breathe in while you go down. Breathe out while you go up. Your shoulder blades are always fixed down, back and down. Pull it back, pull it down. This is how you have your shoulder blades the whole time. And now you most probably can start feeling it, how it feels in your triceps. Maybe it starts getting a little bit shaky. That's what you want. Then you do it perfect. We do together now 4 more reps. Slowly go down, breathe in, press up. That's right. 3 more. And we go down, hold the tense in the abs. Chest is out, shoulder blades are fixed down. And breathe in and out, and you see the hip is always down. Don't bring the hip up, it's a common mistake. Hip stays down, the head stays straight, and one last one. Breathe in and out, and you come up. Perfect. Always breathe simultaneously to the exercise, to the movement. And thank you very much, Nuria, for being today's model. And thank you very much for your attention. Please click the follow button, click the bell, and browse our channel. Share our knowledge to your friends, because we are here to make the fitness world better. Thank you very much. See you soon. Your personal trainer, Chris. Bye.